Hello friends, myself Professor T.S. Vandari. Today I am going to explain the circular lamina resting on VP. Just in your question bank with solution, the circular lamina inclined to the VP appears in the front view as an ellipse of major axis 30 mm and minor axis 15 mm. The major axis is parallel to both HP and VP. One end of the minor axis is in both the HP and VP. Draw the projections of the lamina and determine the inclination of the lamina with the VP. This is the given problem. So in the previous class I explained the circular lamina resting on HP on one of its point on the rim, but in this case it is different. First position is it is the circular lamina drawn in the VP itself. So in the given problem what is asking, a circular lamina inclined to the VP appears in the front view as an ellipse. Just you go through in the what I am drawn. First usual method, you have to draw the circular lamina in VP, means above the XY line. Just draw the XY line as the reference. VP is above the XY line and HP is below the XY line. At a certain distance from the XY line, you just draw the circle of diameter, that is 30 mm diameter, because major axis the height is given in the problem as it is 30 mm and minor axis is 15 mm of the ellipse, but major axis 30 mm means circular lamina is diameter of 30 mm. You have to draw, then you have to divide that given circular lamina into 8 equal parts by an angle of each sector is 45 degree each. Then you named that 8 sectors in the circle as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash. Then that borderline is drawn with 0.5 mm thick. Then you have to project these all these 8 points on the circumference of the circle, and you are going to get the top view on the XY line. So A dash becomes A in the top view, in front view it is A dash, on the top view while you are drawing its top view, that A dash becomes A, and H dash and B dash are in the same line. H dash becomes H and B dash becomes inside bracket B, because while you are drawing the top view, H is visible, H dash is visible, B dash is not visible. So H dash becomes H and B dash you have to write inside the bracket B. Similarly, G dash and C dash are on the same line. While you are going to name on the top view, G dash becomes G and C dash you have to write inside the bracket C. Similarly, F dash, D dash, F dash becomes F, D dash becomes inside the bracket D, and E dash becomes simply it is E. Then you have to draw this A to E. You have to consider a thick line, because this A E, this length we consider as the top view of the circular lamina. While we are viewing from the top, it appears like a line. So then in the second position in the given problem, the condition is it appears like a ellipse. So this is the ellipse. G dash C dash is the major axis, A dash E dash is the minor axis. So you have to draw like this, that minor axis is given 15 mm and major axis is 30 mm. You draw the projections towards right, and this plane you have to place to VP at an angle that is obtained by, first you draw the in the second position you draw the ellipse of major axis 30 mm and minor axis 15 mm, and then you project these 8 points on this line. That angle is unknown, that we are going to find out. This width 15 mm is the minor axis that is given. With the help of these two dimensions, major axis and minor axis, we are getting the in the second position top view, that pi. You calculate, you measure that pi with the help of the protractor, you are knowing that angle. Then in the third position, one end of the minor axis is in is in both the HP and VP. Draw the projection of the lamina and determine the inclination of the lamina with the VP. And also it is given in the condition the major axis is parallel to both HP and VP. Major axis means G dash and C dash is the major axis, A dash and E dash is the minor axis. The major axis is parallel to both HP and VP means we have to tilt this ellipse in the third position like this. C dash G dash is horizontal to XY line, then this whole ellipse is parallel to both VP and HP. This major axis C dash G dash is parallel to VP as well as parallel to HP. This is the condition asking in the problem. Then you have to project all these 8 points on the circumference of the ellipse. You have to project downwards, and in the second position top view already you draw the projections towards right side. These projection lines coincides at a particular points. Then you draw the ellipse that passing through these 8 points with 0.5 mm thick, and then named that each points on the rim of the ellipse as G dash becomes G, F dash becomes F, A dash E dash becomes E, and C dash D dash becomes D, C dash becomes C, B dash becomes B, A dash becomes A, and H dash becomes H. So this dash means this single primes in the top view. Simply we write it as A, B, C, D, etc. Already you knows while we are I had explained in the projection of points and lines in the front view, that text becomes represented by a single prime or single dash, and in the top view simply you can write it as a small letters. So I hope you are follow these three positions, how to draw the circular lamina resting on VP, and its one of its major axis is parallel to both VP and HP. So you have to draw these three positions. Suppose asking this type of problems many times it is asked in the previous question papers. I hope you are understanding. If you are having any doubts, please call me or you ask me through WhatsApp. I will ready to help you. Thank you one and all.